Alright guys, 3.6 liter pentastar Jeep Wrangler 2014, same thing for 2012 through 2018 JKs. This is what I found. If you can see, a bunch of oil. That's not for me taking it apart, that's a crank seal leak. So I went ahead and ordered the seal from AutoZone, 30 bucks. And what I went ahead and did is loosened up the fan shroud and lifted it up a little bit so that I can get my DeWalt impact in there. The DeWalt has a I think it's like a 1-inch socket. Is that a 27? Maybe it's a 27. But anyway, find you the right size shallow socket and get your DeWalt out. You're gonna need a full battery. And then yeah, I impacted it for about 30 seconds and it came out. That's what you're looking at. Once the oh, leave the belt on when you impact it. It'll help hold it still. So yeah, lift the fan out, which is easy. Move your reservoir out of the way, which is easy. Once you get in here, make sure you clean it up. Yeah, pop the seal out, pop the new one in. Didn't see any videos on YouTube showing any of this, but it's definitely possible. And you don't need to take the cover off or anything for the engine. Here's a pro tip: when you're doing the belt tensioner, you don't have to push it immediately hard. You know, go soft and then lay into it slowly, and this will compress slowly, allowing you to take the belt off. Didn't use any penetrator on it in fear of the belt slipping when I went to go ahead and break that thing loose. Well, yeah, there you go. I'm gonna clean it up, slap a new seal in from AutoZone for 30 bucks, and hopefully won't have any more leaks here. If you do any off-roading like you see I do, be mindful that you might want to clean this area. I wouldn't pressure wash it or nothing, but make sure you spray it out real good after you're done, because that seal will eventually start to leak. Also, this is, like I said, 2014 JKU. Also has 75,000 miles on it. And I'm hoping the oil I see in the rear is not the rear main seal, but yeah, you might see a part 2 for the rear main if this doesn't fix all my leaks. Alright, thanks for tuning in.